The Valley of Kashmir is endowed with rich biodiversity, of which mushrooms are the prominent ones. The forest areas, the plains, and tree trunks host a wide range of mushrooms. Kashmir Valley is also famous for a special type of mushroom called morel or morchilla. Locally, it's known as kankich or guchi. Morels generally grow on humus-rich soil in early spring. This is one of the costliest mushrooms, costing about 20,000 a kg in the local market. As per the data available, about 90 quintals of morels are harvested annually. In addition to this, the local women and children collect the morels either for their consumption or selling to the local vendors.
Kush, Maharashtra, April, English punch, morals, Imchiman Kanti, Imchiman Kumtim, Agaraman, Zad, Burdash, Tutashiman, Zad Lagate, Imchiman Haknana, Pachim, Kante, Jais, Dodasitas, Constitution, Can, you want to Dawatiban, you want to medicine is the banan. Bechi Marst, April, Neran, Gil Kushwal, she wants Shasan, crack young Kushmahe, Bichim Hokme, Chasan, Hokme, Shimasan, Agar Zad, Kilomaya, still Shiman Zad points, Agar Ast, the Chikiman Asal points, Bechi Marst, April, Neran, Kulan Ganan, Chim, Asan, Kulan Ganan Manchim, Asan, Bichasan, Gas and Pecti, Neran, Zad Chim, Neran, Kulan, Im Kushmit, Kul Chasan, to Manim, Gun Chasan, to Metal Chim, Neran, Gil Root the Gaganachi. Hund qism छ आसान बात कुछ छ आसान क्रीम कुछ छ आसान दूध कुछ छ आसान यम छ अलग अलग जायन नेरान
Morels come in various hues, shapes, and sizes. Morels can be white, creamy, yellow, or black. The yellow morels are the costliest and most sought after. The cap of the true morel has a hood with a honeycomb pattern which produces spores at maturation. Morels are often adulterated with another type of mushroom called Verpa bohemica or false morels. In case of true morels, the cap is firmly attached to the stipe, while as the cap is loosely attached in false morels. Morels have unique taste and medicinal properties and are served as a delicacy in hotels and thought to be one of the best foods for cancer patients. Out of ignorance and greed, some people set the particular forest area on fire to get a better yield of morels. Unfortunately, the productivity of the morels has declined drastically over the years owing to habitat destruction, overexploitation, and climate change. Time demands that the researchers, the conservationists, and locals come forward to raise the awareness about these prized mushrooms and help in the conservation process.